Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast of the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to hide your Instagram story from someone on Instagram. So you can hide your Instagram story from someone or few persons. So guys, I'm going to show you on my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here I'm on my Android phone. So let me open first Instagram application. Just open it, and when you're trying to post any stories, so before that you have to make the one setting that will be hide your story from someone. Okay, so here, go to your profile photo, just click on it, go to the three dot line option, go to the settings, tab on settings, and here click on privacy. In privacy you have to find the story option. Okay, so just open it. Now here you can see the option called hide story from. So here you can see I don't have select any person, so just click on it and you will see all your followers. Okay, so just select followers, or you can search person name from here. So I just search name from here. Okay, so I want to hide my story from this person. Just I have to select this. After select, just come back. You can select many more and just come back, and here you have to see the one person has been selected and my story will be hide for this person. So hide your story and live videos means this person will not see my story and live videos. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.